In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to center a worksheet horizontally and vertically in Excel. So basically, Microsoft Excel will print your spreadsheet based upon how it's laid out within the spreadsheet. So if you notice when you start in A1, you're really going to be starting near the top left corner of your paper if you were to print out the spreadsheet. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to configure your sheet so your desired print layout will occur as expected. So we're going to jump into it, and we're going to start by left clicking on the page layout tab up at the top. Once you've selected that, you want to go and left click on the margins, or left click on the little arrow underneath. Now you want to select custom margins from this list, so left click on that one time. Now you want to check mark inside horizontally and vertically underneath center on the page, so check mark inside both of these here. Left click on OK. And you know, there was an option to do a print preview as well, so if you were to go back in, so I went underneath custom margins, I did a print preview here, you would notice it should be centered in the page as opposed to it just being in the top left. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.